咱讲条条道路通罗马，即马伫意大利的阿比亚古道，这条是对意大利首都罗马探到南部罗马帝国上界旧、上界重要的军事道路。呀，这条古道当地申请列作世界遗产。
第大日头骹有人行路，有人骑脚踏车。户外运动爱好者拢到意大利亚比古道亲身行这条路，感受罗马帝国的征战过程。
The ancient Appian Way is not only a big open-air museum started in the 1800s, but it's also an immense green area, a place where Romans come for leisure time, biking, hiking, and visiting monuments, of course.
亚比古道起伫西元前312年，全长差不多500公里，连接首都罗马到意大利半岛南部的布林迪斯。伊毋但是道路建设的变革，阁是罗马帝国扩张过程当中重要的军事道路，确保罗马军队伫任何天气之下拢能真紧而且顺利到目的地。所以有即句条条大路通罗马的俗话。
The ancient Appian Way was the queen of a road. It was a big engineering work, so it deserves, I would say, to be in the World Heritage List.
亚比古道是2024年提名第10联合国教科文组织世界遗产名录的28地点当中上长的一个。即马古道一寡所在，游玩员看到原来的石能甲罗马战车载过留落来痕迹，然后定定因发现罗马遗迹亲像倒起大理石条或者是无头的雕像，这特色正做游客一直来上大的诱因。
And my father has photographs of it from the 1960s. So it was very interesting for me to come back and see it, the same thing that they saw. Incredible that there are so many parts of the old buildings that are still standing and preserved.
联合国教科文组织世界遗产委员会7月2日开始举行第46届会议，要审查新提案的28个遗产地点。亚比古道若入选，会将做全球第一条被列入遗产名录的古道。公视新闻杨干编译。